Okay, so good day again and happy holidays. And currently, we're here for another tutorial on how we could sign our release version of the app using an APK Signer tool. So, as you can see, Cordova just released a latest version of their uh, framework, which is the 11 version. And currently the previous tutorial that I've shown you how to um, sign or generate the release version of their app, which is in Android app bundled format, is having a problem. So I found a solution how to do that, so that we can upload our signed and aligned app to Google Play Store. So, okay, so let's start. Let's go to our sample project. Okay, from here, I'm going to build our app. This is the staging or debug version, as you can see. This can be installed to your test mobile devices, but it won't be able to be uploaded on the. You won't be able to upload this on the Google Play Store. So from here, after generating your uh, debug app or staging app, we're going to generate the release version. Okay, so I have saved the syntax in order for us to generate the release version of the app, but in APK format. Okay, and now because the previous one it's on AB format. So let's use the syntax to create the unsigned release version of the app in APK format. Okay. So actually, this was the traditional way of doing this before Google changed the file format of their um, release version of their app that they are accepting on Google Play Store. So we have already had the unsigned release version. You can navigate to the location of the release version here. Yeah, um, because we're going to need that later on when we sign it using our generated key store. The tutorial on the key store and how to build that or generate that was on the previous video. Okay, so from here we're going to download the APK Signer. I'm just going to rename this one a bit. Okay, let's go to the directory where we downloaded it and extract the APK Signer. And from here, we can now run the APK Signer XC. Okay, so for first time running of the APK Signer, it will ask you where your JDK installation file is. So just click yes. And usually it is on your C drive, program files, then Java, then yes, JDK. Okay, so that's done. And it will now ask you where your build tools are. So click yes. this is where your Android SDK files or software development kit is downloaded by the Android Studio. So C drive, then we go to the users. Okay, so ensure that view hidden files is enabled. Okay, so that you can see the location of the app data because it is in a hidden file, then local file, then you go to Android, then you go to SDK, then click on the build tools. Okay, so these are your SDKs that you've downloaded, that was discussed on the first topic. Then let's maximize this one. From here we're going to go to align and assign, and we're going to locate our release version of the app that is unsigned. Then we're going to need the key store, so select key store file. Let's go to key store, because I have it here, so the better was key store. Then we're going to key in the password and the alias and the alias password, and hit align and sign. Okay, it seems that you need to select the file again, so click browse. Let's just make sure that let me check first because it might have already generated. Yeah, it already had generated a line and signed file. Okay, this one. I think that we're okay already. Okay, or you want to do that again? That's fine. Okay, but it will generate new files. Okay, when you do this. Okay, okay, open and hit align and sign. Okay, okay, that's done. We're just making sure that everything is okay. Then from there, you have the align and sign files here. Okay, okay. So from here, this is the file you're going to upload to Google Play Store. Okay, so I think we're done already, and hopefully you enjoyed uh, doing this tutorial and building your Android apps using Cordova. So thank you everyone.